first thing you need to do is open the YouTube Kids app on your child's device. Find the video you want to save. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the video and select download video if you do not know how to download it. And once you've done that, you can also adjust the download quality. You might have the option to choose between standard or high. Then wait for the download to complete. Once the video has started downloading to your device storage, wait for it to complete. It's as simple as that, and now you can watch it offline even without having internet or Wi-Fi. Now, it's important to know that downloaded videos can be watched offline even with internet connection, without an internet connection, but it's generally recommended to download them over a Wi-Fi connection to save on mobile device or mobile data. Also, the number of videos you can download may be limited. And when you download videos for offline viewing, you need to periodically refresh them for them to remain available for offline viewing. By following these steps, you can easily save YouTube Kids videos for offline viewing, allow your child to enjoy their favorite content even when they don't have an internet connection. Please note that the specific steps and options here may vary slightly depending on the device and version of the YouTube Kids app you're using. So always refer to the official YouTube Kids support documentation for the most up-to-date information. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.